Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Homayun TV. Today we're getting down with the Mixolydian scale, showing you how to use it in your musical creations. If you're new to this series, make sure to watch the other videos to get a better grasp of the concepts and terms. The Mixolydian scale is basically a major scale with a lowered 7th degree. Think of a G major scale, lower the F sharp to an F, and that's your G Mixolydian scale. The key feature of Mixolydian is this lowered 7th, the F, which creates a cool, bluesy, lush vibe. And to craft melodies in Mixolydian, make sure to highlight this F and its connection to the root consciously, as this is the heart and soul of the Mixolydian sound. Next up, chords. As you learned before, modal scales have primary and secondary chords. If you're new to these terms, revisit those earlier videos for a refresher. Now, if we build triads on each note of the G Mixolydian scale, we get this set of chords. The G major, built on the first degree, is of course our first primary chord. But we also want to find the chords that showcase the unique F note. Take a moment to think about it, or pause the video to figure them out. If you guess the chord F major and D minor, you're right. Now let's hear them in action. You might be thinking about the B diminished chord as well, since it also has an F. However, the B diminished has a strong pull towards resolving to a C major chord. And this can take away the character of Mixolydian and make it sound more like classical. Besides the primary chords and the diminished chord in the scale, the rest are considered secondary chords, and they add color and tension to our music. So in general, G major, F major, and D minor are primary, while A minor, C major, and E minor are secondary chords. Now let's delve into 7th chords. If you remember from previous videos, I am always telling you to be aware of the diminished chords and intervals while composing modal music, since they make your sound really classical music-y and not modally. And in our case, the Mixolydian mode is a special case, since the 7th chord, built up on its first degree being G dominant 7th chord, already has our powerful diminished interval in it. So it's best to avoid it and use other 7th chords such as F major 7th, D minor 7th, A minor 7th, and so on. While composing in Mixolydian, Don't forget that the Mixolydian scale can easily lean towards the sounds of the major scale that has the same amount of accidentals. In our case, the scales G Mixolydian and C major, and a progression incorporating the 7th, 1st, and 4th degree in Mixolydian would simultaneously sound as 4-5-1 in a C major scale, and can shift your sound from Mixolydian to a major scale. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did and you don't want to miss future episodes, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And feel free to leave any questions or comments. Until next time, Homayun out.